Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Wow. I have to admit, Bitcoin's recent price action surprised me. While I was watching the charts closely, I didn't fully expect to see the market revisiting 112,000 so quickly, especially after noting the move into 113,400 in the last session. In yesterday's video, I actually mentioned the possibility of a move toward 112,000. Let's replay that clip quickly. A possible revisit toward 112,000 cannot be ruled out. Such a move could reset local conditions and prepare price action for an attempt toward higher levels. Seeing it play out in real time still caught me off guard. Now the big question is, after dipping that low, could the worst be behind us? Let's analyze what the data is showing. Bitcoin has been respecting the purple horizontal support level at 112,000 almost perfectly. From that point, we've seen price recover steadily to around 113,500, which is a positive sign. On the wave trend indicator, multiple green dots have been forming since last Monday, pointing toward possible stabilization. Today, another green dot appeared right at the local bottom near 112,000. The RSI dipped as low as 25.67, but has since rebounded toward 50, suggesting reduced downside pressure for now. Meanwhile, the MACD has crossed upward, and the histogram is starting to confirm this shift in momentum. So far, the technical picture looks cautiously constructive. Looking at the 3-day heat map, the level around 111,500 remains an area of high interest that hasn't been tested yet. Above current price, pressure is building around 115,000 and 117,000, with those areas gaining significance over the last sessions. Zooming out to the weekly heat map, the zone around 119,500 is still the key upper region to watch, though 117,000 is beginning to build comparable activity. The latest 24 hours have shown increased confidence from market participants focusing on these ranges. ETF data adds another layer to the picture. Institutional flows have remained negative, but the pace of outflows is slowing. On the 19th, outflows reached about 500 million, then 300 million on the 20th, and now on the 21st we see around 194.4 million. Interestingly, two issuers even reported net inflows today, signaling that sentiment might be shifting. And in related news, larger entities continue to accumulate despite recent volatility. Mingxing Group Holdings Limited from Hong Kong has announced an agreement to acquire 4,250 Bitcoin, valued at approximately $482.96 million. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time chart chatter. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.